Good day and welcome to the channel. In this short video we're going to unbox that and we're going to set it up. That's the Ryobi 40 volt 20-inch electric lawnmower, RY401170. But don't be put off by that. They have a bunch of different model numbers because they come in different bundles and they come in different packs and they're in different countries, different stores, and they use different part numbers. So if your model's similar to that, it's probably the same. Somebody always wants to see the box, so we'll show you it, and but we'll do a little more. We'll explain what the difference is between the old and the new. And a couple of things. They've made some changes to the motor to enhance its power, but more importantly, it now comes with this, a 6 amp battery. And it's the newer 6 amp battery. So mine, the older model, came with a 5 amp. So this will have 20% more cutting time than mine just out of the box, plus the battery is a better battery. So this is an improvement. Instead of having pins, which if you watch mine, they've bent, these won't bend. So that just straightens up. Pop that in, pop that in. There's two different angles, so if that's too high for you. And here's your height adjustment. Because it's on that big spring on the other side, you can do it with, well, one finger. Very light. A grandmother could do this. Now as far as bagging options go, it comes with the bagger. It also comes with the side discharge. Snap that on. And it also comes with a diverter in case you just want to mulch. So in our case, we want to use this as a mulching mower. So we've got to put this piece in the back, right? So that it spins around and just mulches. How do you do that? Pretty easy. Just come around to the back, slide it in, and it just, bink, slides in just like that. Beautiful. No more gas, no more oil, no more spark plugs, no more maintenance. The worst thing you're going to need to do with this is add a battery or get a second battery in 7 or 8 years. And that's about $100. Just slide the battery in. Has the same little monitor on the back to tell you whether it's charged or empty. This one's empty, so it needs to be charged. Okay, so about the only thing that's hard to put together is the bag.
And that will take you less than 2 minutes to do.
So take the bag, hold the handle like this, and shove it in the bag so the short side is on the top. And then this just clips in, which takes a bit of muscle, but it's not hard. Okay, so you just squeeze it up here so that it's proper bag, and then this last piece will just pop in easy. So the only thing that I can see that they've deleted from the original mower is the headlights are gone, which looked really cool, but I mean, who's cutting their lawn at night? It's kind of silly to have them. Why not reduce the cost and strip that out? And there's a space in here for a second one if you have a big lawn. And to start it, you would think you pull the handle and press start. Oh, and that is what you do on this one. On the older one, you have to push the button first and then pull the handle, or it won't start. So they've fixed that between the old and the new. Hey, so what do we think of this thing? It's pretty cool. They've fixed a few minor design issues. I wouldn't call them flaws, but they're issues. And with the extra 20% battery and the newer battery technology, I expect that this will cut for about 25% longer. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with it, but we'll have to cut with it a few times to see how it actually works. And we'll do a review a little later on and let you know how it goes. Hey, so if you found this video useful, a big thumbs up would be appreciated. Subscribe's also appreciated. If you have any questions or concerns, you can get a hold of us directly at www.urtech. That's www.urtech.ca. Or you can leave a question or comment below, because on YouTube, everybody's got an opinion. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.